More than 90% of traders fail to be profitable in Forex. And I found out why. First, you need to understand how Forex really works. The Forex market is basically controlled by the big financial institutions. For them to make money, retail traders like you and myself need to lose our trades. Majority of traders will make the wrong decisions in our trades, which is the 90%. The question is, why do they make the wrong decisions? They make the wrong decisions because we were taught to make the wrong decisions. And here's how. If you Google Forex trading for beginners or just how to trade Forex, you will find a bunch of websites and YouTube videos of people showing you how to trade Forex. But what stands out the most is that they all teach the very same thing, the same candlestick patterns and the same strategies. For example, they all teach you that when you see a double top, the market is going to sell or go bearish. And when you see a double bottom, the market is going to buy or go bullish. If all the websites and videos teaches these same strategies, it just simply means that over 90% of traders will trade similarly because we all have access to the same information. Now, the big financial institutions know that if the market presents a double top, we are likely to sell. The amount of money they invest has the power to move the markets in whatever direction they choose. So they show us a double top, we enter a sell, then they just go in the next direction and take all our money. I'm guessing now that you can see the correlation with why 90% of traders fail. We all have access to the same information, and because of that, the traders at the top of the hierarchy knows exactly what we're going to do when we see a certain pattern, so it's easy to take our money. Am I saying that you should trade the opposite? No, I'm not. I'm simply saying that you can't do what everyone else is doing and expect to get rich. If that was the case, everyone would be rich. What I am saying is that you should find a currency pair or stock or whatever you like to trade and focus on that pair or stock. Backtest that pair by finding big moves that you could turn into profits. Then observe and study what triggered that move. And practice this until you know exactly what the market is going to do, each pattern that it presents you with. Sometimes you need to experience certain things to truly understand. Never put your faith in another man's hand. And that's exactly what you're doing if you follow everything that you see on the internet. Forex is not a scam. You can make a living from it. You just have to avoid the traps being set. Do your own work. Remember to like this video. Oh, and subscribe.